how easily he could be manipulated by the other side. I mean, Japan, for example.
It's a very intriguing question. What we are seeing is that this president does tend to identify friends and foes and will gravitate towards those who he perceives to be very friendly to him and to the United States and really work on that relationship. The deepening relationship potentially with Japan and ensuring and picking that as a potential very close partner on a variety of issues, that is something that we may be seeing. And I think there is a reason for concern about whether or not that will miss some of the broader issues at stake, and the ear then of the president being whispered into by our closest allies could potentially put us in a position that we may not strategically want to be in over time.